the Chugwater Chili Kitchen. Today we are going to be highlighting our Chugwater Chili Dip Dressing mix. And we're going to use it on our zucchini strips. You can see in the pan here I have 2 tablespoons of butter melting in the pan. You just remove your ends from your zucchini. And then carefully, no fingers getting cut, carefully cut your strips in about a 1/4 inch. Once our butter gets melted here, we'll be able to put them in there. We will start by sprinkling the zucchini with some of our dip and dressing mix. So that might be too big of a sprinkle if you don't go it all the way off. Just give a nice healthy sprinkle. There you go. And we put those seasoning side down so that then we can sprinkle the other side while they cook. There we go. We're just going to let those cook long enough to get browned on the first side. We'll turn them over and then complete the browning on the second side. We have some already prepared for you. Once they're pulled off of the fire, you're going to put them on your plate and then you're going to sprinkle them with some nice Parmesan cheese. You can use the fresh or the dried Parmesan. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. It's a delicious way to add to your meal, you guys. Have a great day.